Hey, it's Tony here with Random Likes. Hope you enjoy the video. Today we're going to look at the Delta shower single handle and fix the shower cartridge so that it stops dripping. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the chat. I appreciate you, and thanks for watching. So the first thing you want to do is shut off the main water valve to your house. Running it perpendicular, we'll have it closed, and parallel, we'll have it open. Next, you want to get an Allen wrench and take off the set screw on the handle, as I've done here. For mine, it was an 1/8. And then next, you can kind of wiggle the handle and take it off, which will reveal the shower cartridge. Next, the cover slides off. Then there's a big lock nut here. It took a little bit of force to get it off, so I used a pair of channel locks. You can put some rubber or a towel in between it so you don't scratch it up. The finish on the nut. Once you break it loose, you can spin it off by hand. Next, with a little bit of wiggling, the shower cartridge came out. And this particular shower cartridge has the numbers listed here as to what to order. I ordered this particular one off Amazon, so you'll want to check to make sure what type you have and order that accordingly. I will drop the link in the description for this one. Now, you can take this apart pretty simply by just twisting it, and it will reveal the seats inside the shower valve. These can sometimes be replaced, and that can fix your problem. However, I myself did that, and it was still leaking some, so I decided to replace the whole cartridge. You can kind of see here how those O-rings and stuff fit in there, so that when you're putting it back together. So let's start putting it back together. I've got the new shower cartridge here. It did take a little bit of pressure to put that in, just making sure it's lined up correctly. There are some little tabs on each side so that you can line up accordingly. Next, you'll put the cover back on, and here there's an adjustment. You can pull out the little white piece here and go left or right so that your shower nozzle set the hot and cold. You can turn it left or right. And you may need to take the handle back off and adjust this. Well, as you can see, all put back together, and it looks like we got it taken care of here. So thanks for watching, everybody. Once again, if you got any questions or comments, don't forget to drop them in the comments below. And I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching.